But Michael Jaafar, I mean, when you think about it, this whole investigation had issues from the very beginning. And it's clear there were letters that had went back and forth about how difficult the investigation was and how it was kind of a mess. And I think that has to be something that the defense has to pounce on, because we're talking about, really, at the core of this case, how these live rounds got on the set, who was responsible for it. And if you don't have a tight crime scene, I mean, the defense can clearly suggest that maybe somebody moved something, somebody had the opportunity to do X, Y, and Z, which might have changed the outcome of the investigation.
Absolutely. You know what I kept thinking about, Michael, when I was watching this case yesterday and today? This is a law school exam question. That's what this case is. The facts could go either way, right? When we're tested in law school, we're not tested on the basics. We're supposed to know that on day one. We're tested on facts that could go either way, and you could say this person's guilty and you're right. The same person could say this person's not guilty and you're right, depending on your analysis and how you analyze it. So this investigation and how loose it was, these are important things, right? These are very important things. But at the end of the day, I think this stuff inures better to the benefit of Alec Baldwin than Hannah Gutierrez, only because at the end of the day, the buck does have to stop somewhere. I've been vacillating on whether or not that's Alec Baldwin, because he is the executive producer. And even when they were doing the investigation, people are going to be starstruck that they're talking to Alec Baldwin. But at the end of the day, if you're the executive producer, you appoint somebody like Hannah Gutierrez to be responsible for their job, something that important, right? So this is a law school exam question. It could go either way. But I agree with you. The investigation was done sloppily. But that inures more so, in my opinion, to Alec Baldwin than Hannah Gutierrez.